In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful French macaron tower from beginning to end. Hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Here I'm going to talk about the ingredients. We have blanched almond meal, powdered sugar, granulated sugar, egg whites, salt, almond extract, coloring. Right now I'm going to prepare the almond meal and powdered sugar combination. So I'm using the fruit processor. I'm going to put this almond meal into it. Plus powdered sugar. I'm going to turn it on. You have to mix it in between. Just to make sure both of them are combined well. So again, just to make sure, just go all the way to the end of the fruit processor, just to make sure grabbing it is mixed well. I think that's enough. So now you transfer this to the big bowl. So I'm going to do it in a minute. Just transfer everything. I don't really have to sift this mix. So keep this aside. Now we are going to make the meringue part, and this is just egg whites. I'm just going to put it in the standing mixer. I'm using the whisk attachment, and I'm going to put it in medium speed until you get a cappuccino form. See, you see the cappuccino foam here. So I'm just going to add this granulated sugar little by little, just little at a time. in the medium speed. I'm adding the last part of the sugar. So you can put the speed mix level like a medium high. Check the peak, test the peak. So I'm going to stop the mixer for a minute. So bring it down. Use my whisk to check the peak. So it is a medium peak, medium stiff. So this is the right consistency. So now you can add the almond meal and powdered sugar combination to it. So I'm going to mix it. So I'm going to part this mix in 3 parts. So I'm going to mix the first part. I'm going to fold it nicely, like fold it. At this point, you can add a coloring. So I'm just going to use this gel paste from AmeriColor. I'm using avocado. So I'm going to go into the second part of that mix. Mix it, mix. Yeah, you're actually folding it. You're not, just make sure you are not inflating all the egg whites. Can see, you still can add more coloring because I don't see much green coming out of this. So I'm going to add more. And I'm going to add a bit of almond extract, like that's it. And I'm going to add the salt, and I'm going to add the rest of it. So you just start folding. So I have now my almond mix is now ready for piping. So I'm totally happy with the color I achieved. So it's going into piping bag. It's going into my piping bag. Now my mix is ready to pipe, and I prepared the baking sheet with the Silpat. So I'm going to pipe in very small circles and big circles. So I piped it, and I'm going to tap it. So you just tap this way to get all the air bubbles out of the macarons. And I'm going to leave it for half an hour. to get these skins, to get the dry skin. So if you touch, when you touch the macaron, it doesn't come in your fingers. That's when it's ready for baking. So it's not quite ready yet. So you have to leave it at least half an hour to 45 minutes. Hi guys, I'm back. It has been 30 minutes. I'm going to test and see if it's ready to bake. It looks like they are ready. They are not coming to my finger. So 300° Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Hi, I just took these out of the oven and it came perfectly. Now, next video I'm just going to show you how to pipe with the filling and how to construct these French macarons with the macaron shells and a bag of chocolate ganache, which I'm going to pipe in between these shells. So I'm going to show you how to pipe the macaron shells. It. So just twist to secure it. And shell, twist it. Here I am back with the chilled macarons. They are ready to construct. I'm going to use candy melt as a glue. I'm going to show you right now how to construct these. Put a bit of it at the back of the macaron. I'm going to stick it on the cone and just hold it for a few seconds. Make sure this macaron is stable. You don't need too much, just use a bit of it. Hold it. So I'm going to continue to do this until I'm filled with the entire tower, and I'll see you shortly. Here, almost done this beautiful macaron tower. This is my last piece that goes right here. So I'm going to show you. Hold it for a minute. Just to check, yeah, it's not moving, so it's ready. So I'm just going to finish this with this topper I previously made. Just gonna poke it right in here and finish off with this ribbon. Guys, I'm here with the finished macaron tower. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you for joining me in this video.